The last transformation we are talking about in this unit is reflections. So reflection flips a figure over a line of reflection. That is something we will tell you. The reflected figure is congruent, which we know means the same, and a mirror image of the pre-image. We want to keep the coordinates equidistant, and equidistance is just a fancy way of saying equal distance, from our line of reflection. So in our first example, we want to describe the reflection of the triangle over the y-axis. And our y-axis is this one right here. So we need to decide which ones are our image and our pre-image. And we know our pre-image is the ones with the letters without the apostrophes. So this is our pre-image, and this is our image. Now, when we want to reflect our pre-image over our line of reflection, which in this case is the y, we want to keep it the same distance away. So all you do is you count how far away each point is from our line of reflection. So if we start at A, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means on the other side of our line of reflection, it is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if it's 5 units to the left, then point A prime is going to be 5 units to the right. And same thing with B. We need to count how far away it is from our line of reflection. So if we count, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away. So it's 5 to the left of our y-axis, which means on the right side, it is going to be 5 to the right. And you can check by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is B prime now. And our last one is C prime. So if we start at C, you count 1, 2, which means on the other side, it is going to be 1, 2. And that is our new location, C prime. A prime, B prime, and C prime. And if you need to color it in so you can see, go ahead. But it is 2 units to the right of the y-axis. And now the next question, were the y coordinates adjusted, which is a fancy way of saying changed? Our shape went from here to here, but it did not move up or down. So no, our y coordinates were not adjusted. So that's with the y-axis. With our x-axis, and we'll skip this one, we'll just go here to this one. We need to graph the reflection of our image over the x-axis. So highlight the x-axis so you can see which one you're reflecting it over. Now our rhombus is not labeled, so we need to do that first. And I'll just pick easy ones. This can be A, B, C, and D. So from here, just like how we did with the problem up there, we need to count how far away each of our points are from our line of reflection, which in this problem is our x-axis. So if I start with D, it is 1, 2 away. So it is going to be 1, 2 away, and this will be D prime. With C, it is 1, 2 away. So here it is going to be 1, 2 away, and this will be C prime. With B and A, we do the same thing. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 away, which means on the other side of our line of reflection, it is going to be 6 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Notice we are not moving our shape left or right. With our y-axis, we are just moving it down. And our last point, A, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which means on the other side it is going to be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be A prime. Now, ideally, we wouldn't have those little squiggles, but just for the purpose of this lesson, we do. And so this, and I'm just trying to bold it a little bit, is our reflected rhombus from here to here. If we were to fold our paper up, I don't know if you can see this very well, but if we fold it up, you see it looks like our original shape right there. So it is simply a reflection over the y-axis of our original shape. Now if we go to the next page of our notes, we're just going to practice a few more. I'm going to do one more over the x-axis, and then I'm going to do one more over the y-axis. So starting with our x-axis, I like to highlight which axis I'm doing. That way I can always have it as a reference. So in this problem, we are doing the x-axis. So I'm just going to highlight it right here. Now my first step is to plot these points. So I'm doing a triangle ABC with vertices A at 1, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is A. B at 8, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. And C at 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. That's my triangle. So if I'm reflecting it over the x-axis, this one, I need to just count how far away it is from here and keep it the same points on the other side. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 away. So on the other side, it is going to be 6 away. It is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is A prime. So that new coordinate is 1, negative 6. My next one, B, I need to count how far away that is from my line of reflection, which is X. So it is 1, 2, 3. So then on the other side, it is going to be 3 away. 1, 2, 3. That is now B prime. And my last one, C, same thing. 1, 2 away from the line of my reflection. So then it is going to be 1, 2 away over here, C prime. Then I just draw my lines, connect them together, and there's my reflection. The last thing I need to do is just write my new points. C is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, negative 2. 4, negative 2. And B is at 8, 1, 2, 3, negative 3. And we'll move down here to our trapezoid. So in this one, we are reflecting it over our y-axis. So that is this right here. Now I need to plot my points. W is 2, negative 3. X is 4, negative 1. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1. Y is 8, negative 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, negative 2, excuse me. That's Y. And Z is at 3, negative 7. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is Z. And there's our trapezoid. So once we've drawn our original figure, now we need to reflect it from here over to here because we want to reflect it over our y-axis. So just like we've done with all the other problems, just count how far away it is from our line of reflection. So W is 1, 2. So that means on the other side, it is going to be 2 away. 1, 2. Now this is W prime. X is 1, 2, 3, 4 away. So on the other side, it is going to be 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is now X prime. Z is 1, 2, 3 away. So on the other side, it is going to be 3 away. 1, 2, 3. That is now Z prime. And our last one, Y, we need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on our other side is going to be 8 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Y prime. Now I just need to draw my lines and connect them. And I have my reflected shape. If I were to fold this, you would see that they line up. Just like that. See how they close in on each other? If you open it up, it is like two shapes on either side. Just like that. So now your job is to pick one more from the x-axis, one of these, and then do the other y-axis. And then we will check your work.